Fuck off. Jesus fucking Christ.
Language.
Not fucking all. Make the noise, but load the fucking game! Play DVD? What the fuck?
Calm down, Bridget. Just don't mash up the TV or fuck up the game, please. Cause that
Is this
what?
what? Why is my Xbox no longer chipped anymore? What the fuck are you trying to say? Call of Duty 4. Go to fucking. All suddenly, as it unchipped my 360.
Should be reading it now.
That's the noise I wanted to make. There we go. Right. Just fucking go along now. Alright. No, the wrong fucking one.